Did you know that over 800,000 families set sail on Disney cruises each year? With unique experiences, world-class entertainment, and some of the most magical ships at sea, Disney Cruise Line offers something for everyone. But with so many ships to choose from, which one is right for your family vacation? Let's explore. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Disney Cruise fleet. We're talking about everything from the classic Disney Magic and Wonder to the larger Dream and Fantasy, plus the newer Disney Wish and the highly anticipated Disney Treasure. Each ship offers something a little different, from themed dining and kids clubs to exclusive entertainment. So choosing the right one can really make or break your dream vacation. Stick around to find out which ship is perfect for you. With so many options, choosing the right Disney cruise ship can be overwhelming. Are you looking for a nostalgic Disney experience? Or do you want the newest innovations? Is it about keeping your kids entertained? Or are you looking for a romantic escape with a touch of Disney magic? Each ship has its own personality, amenities, and itineraries, which means there's a lot to consider. Plus, with new ships like the Disney Treasure on the horizon, there are even more possibilities. If you're wondering how to choose the best ship for your next vacation, don't worry. We're breaking down everything you need to know. Let's start with the Disney Magic, the first ship in Disney's fleet. It's classic and charming, with a cozy feel that families love. A standout feature here is the Marvel Superhero Academy, where kids can train with their favorite superheroes. And for dining, you've got Animator's Palette, where your drawings come to life in a show, and Rapunzel's Royal Table, where you dine with Rapunzel herself in a fairy tale setting. The Disney Wonder is similar in size to the Magic, but it has its own unique touches. It's known for its Frozen, a musical spectacular show, and the Tiana's Place restaurant, which brings the flavors and jazz vibes of New Orleans to life, complete with live music and a visit from Tiana herself. For kids, the Wonder also has Pixar-themed play areas and a Mickey-shaped pool that's always a hit. Next, let's talk about the Disney Dream. This ship is bigger, offering more space and options for entertainment. Families love the Aqueduct, a water coaster that wraps around the ship. And dining is elevated with Royal Palace, inspired by classic Disney princesses, and the elegant Remy, where you can enjoy a fine dining experience straight out of Ratatouille. Kids can immerse themselves in the Star Wars Millennium Falcon play area in the Kids Club, where they can pilot the ship in a galaxy far, far away. The Disney Fantasy, the Dream's sister ship, is packed with unique experiences, like Mickey's Mouse Parade Party for a fun-filled Halloween celebration at sea. It also features Aqualab, a splash area for kids, and Animator's Palette, where technology brings Disney animation to life right at your table. If you're looking for exclusive adult spaces, you'll love the Europa District, offering themed bars and lounges with European flair. Now let's move to the Disney Wish, which sets sail in 2022. It's all about taking Disney storytelling to the next level. The Wish is home to Aquamouse, Disney's first attraction at sea, combining a water ride with an immersive Mickey Mouse short. The dining here is truly special. You've got Arendelle, a frozen dining adventure for dinner with Elsa and Anna, Worlds of Marvel, where you can interact with Marvel superheroes, and 1923, paying tribute to Disney's rich history. The kids' areas on the Wish are top-notch, like the Marvel Superhero Academy, where they can join their favorite heroes, and Fairy Tale Hall, where aspiring princesses can enjoy arts and crafts with their favorite characters. And then there's the Disney Treasure, set to launch in 2024. This ship promises adventure and excitement with new experiences and themes. Inspired by Disney stories like Aladdin and Coco, the Treasure will offer immersive dining with Jasmine and Aladdin's Royal Feast, featuring Middle Eastern-inspired cuisine. Kids will have even more to explore in updated play areas, including a new Pirates of the Caribbean themed club. And for the adults, there will be enhanced dining experiences and lounges, including a Trader Sam's-inspired tiki bar, perfect for relaxing after a day of family fun. Get ready for an all-new adventure with the Disney Destiny, setting sail in November 2025. This ship will celebrate the epic stories of heroes and villains from across the Disney universe. From Marvel to classic Disney tales, this first-of-its-kind theme will immerse guests in a world of larger-than-life characters. The Disney Destiny, a sister ship to the Disney Wish and Disney Treasure, will launch from Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale, offering 4- and 5-night cruises to the Bahamas and the Western Caribbean, including stops at Disney Castaway Cay and the all-new Disney Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point. On board, the Disney Destiny will deliver one-of-a-kind dining experiences. Join the celebration at Pridelands, Feast of the Lion King, where music and storytelling bring the beloved film to life during your meal. Marvel fans will love the immersive experience at Worlds of Marvel, featuring Rocket and Groot, while 1923 offers a taste of Disney's animation history in a glamorous setting. And for the first time on a Disney Cruise Line ship, Spider-Man will make his debut as the signature stern character, with a striking sculpture of him and his spider bots adorning the ship's exterior. The heroes and villains theme promises an adventure for every member of the family. Disney Cruise Line is bringing the magic to Asia for the very first time with the Disney Adventure. Starting in 2025, this new ship will home port in Singapore, offering 3- and 4-night voyages throughout Southeast Asia. The Disney Adventure will be a blend of imagination, discovery, and timeless Disney storytelling, creating a vacation that guests will never forget. The Disney Adventure is more than just a cruise. It's a journey through 7 uniquely themed areas that bring Disney, Pixar, and Marvel stories to life. Visit Disney Imagination Garden, a beautiful open-air space where beloved characters from Moana and The Jungle Book come to life. Or explore the underwater worlds at Disney Discovery Reef, featuring characters from The Little Mermaid, Lilo and Stitch, and Finding Nemo. And don't miss San Francisco Street, inspired by Big Hero 6, where interactive games, shops, and entertainment await. From the moment you step on board, the Disney Adventure promises a vacation full of character encounters, spectacular shows, and all the little touches that make a Disney cruise magical. So, how do you choose between these incredible ships? Here's a quick breakdown. If you want classic Disney charm and smaller crowds, the Magic or Wonder are ideal. They're perfect for younger kids and families looking for a cozy, more intimate experience. For more activities in space, the Dream and Fantasy are great options. They're fantastic for thrill seekers, with exciting pools, water slides, and interactive shows. For the latest and greatest in Disney innovation, the Wish offers a fresh take on Disney magic, with new dining experiences and next-level kids clubs. And if you're looking forward to an all-new adventure, keep an eye on the Disney Treasure, where you can be one of the first to experience its unique attractions and dining options. No matter which Disney cruise ship you choose, you're in for a vacation full of magic, memories, and Disney's signature touch. From classic charm to the latest innovations, each ship offers something special. Understanding the differences between them can help you pick the right fit for your family's dream adventure. So, which Disney cruise ship would you choose for your next vacation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and Disney adventures. See you on the next video. Happy sailing.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon under sunny skies.